Hey guys, Sandy here, and this is going to be the third unboxing video or share video that I've done. I got my Secret Not Secret Kit Club in the mail. I read the little note from Christina, but now I am going to show you the goodness. Okay, so of course, the beautiful tissue paper that the kits always come in, and I know some people are very particular about undoing it, but I just want to get into this kit. Okay. Come on. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm being challenged this month. Okay. Here we go. Let's get these out. All right, we're gonna go papers first. We're just gonna stick that stuff to the side. So, papers first. We have this beautiful floral paper, and it is Welcome Spring from Simple Stories. It's got, let me turn it around so you can see it. It's got all these, it's a cut-apart sheet, and on the back is the floral. So I'm definitely going to be using some of these cut-aparts and some of the floral. Let's turn the floral over, though, because it's really pretty. Okay, so we have that. Then we have this pink paisley pick-me-up, and it's these frames on this side, and on the back is this pattern. I really like the frames. I like the idea of cutting them out and maybe placing some on the page. I really like that idea. Okay, then we have Fine and Dandy, blue teal. So blue on this side, teal on this side. That blue goes pretty good, and so does that teal. So I'm gonna put the blue, because I like the blue. Then we have Simple Stories, another Welcome Spring. This looks like more of a distressed floral. On this side is a distressed black and white stripe. Then Simple Stories again, Welcome Spring. This beautiful yellow and greeny, I would say that this is more green than teal floral. And then a gingham on this side. And this is from Fancy Pants Golden Days. It's triangles on this side and then all fall down on this side. Love the triangles. Have some black and white good vibes with this pink on this side. Now, I had a sheet of this in my Citrus Twist kit, and I think I used pink the entire time. So I'm actually going to try to use the black and white this time. A sheet of Jen Hadfield Homemade Patio Party with this diamond geometric pattern on this side, and then on the other side is a black and cream stripe. And then this page is Heidi Swap Hawthorne, and this is kind of like a watercolor pattern, and then the same kind of watercolor but just dots. So we have those. Okay. Mixed media, we have some Inklings Shimmering Watercolors, Lover's Lips, and that's really pretty. Let me put it there so you can actually see it. And then we have a Butterfly Skies stencil. Butterflies. I think they get a sick pleasure out of teasing me with butterflies. We have these Freckled Fawn Alphas. And I have had these in a couple colors, and they're a lot of fun to use. Then we have some Bella Boulevard Wonky Alpha Puffy stickers. And these are black, I believe. They're not like bright black, they're kind of like a muted black. Then we have the Simple Stories Hello Spring 6x12 cardstock stickers. And these are really pretty. We've got some words on the bottom, some squares, and then some shapes. These are really pretty. You make my heart sing. I just love that. Okay. Then we have the two goodie bags. So in the small, we're going to go with the small goodie bag first. Okay. Okay. The small goodie bag has this beautiful kind of golden yellow pom-pom trim, which is just gorgeous. And then we have some butterflies, some more butterflies. And actually, these are kind of pretty. When I got my sneak peek, I thought that they were just black, but I like the metal of them. So well, we're gonna make some things happen with those this time. I'm pretty sure. Okay, and then we have the die cuts, and I'm gonna put a sheet of paper down so you can see them. So there's some florals, more florals, a little umbrella, some smaller version of those, another one, a bird, flower, some tags, some labels. Love these labels. Tab, not from Concentrate Lemonade, a banner, another tab, the good stuff, and these pop out. Have some speech bubbles that would be great for journaling. What I'll probably do is like tuck them so you don't actually see the little tail. We have another tag, and then a 3x4 card, some more flowers, and then some puffy heart stickers. Look at those, and the colors just go great with everything. So that is my Secret Not Secret kit for the month of February, and I am super excited to get at this and just use it. And I love, it's like bright colors, it's a lot of fun, it's got the black and white, it's got these dang-on butterflies. So let's see what the stencil's gonna do. Maybe I can get it like one and done with the butterflies. Maybe if I stenciled something and put these on top of the stencil. I don't know. We'll figure out something with the butterflies. Maybe I'll do a page about my my aunt in Maryland, because she is a big butterfly fan. Okay. There it is, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned to see me actually do something with this kit.